Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to actually install our air rad system. And this is a used system that I got from a guy on the forum, CTSV versus the universe. His name is Chris Price. He helped me out actually getting the air rad system for my CTSV. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the air box, factory air box, and then put on the new air rad system for the CTSV. So stick around and enjoy the footage.
Perfect.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off the actual front valance off of the actual front of the radiator support. We're going to take that off, as well as move out the rubber piece out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and move all of this out of the way. Once we get this moved out of the way, there are actually some hex screws, which I've already taken the liberty of taking one of them out. They have the T20 screw, and what you want to do is you want to take them out of this location here, right beside the radiator support. There's one right back here, and then there is one right here. So there are three all together, and we're going to take them out and get the factory air box out, and we're going to put the air rad system in. Now with this, you have this plug that's obviously back here. I have mine running to the Mighty Mouse catch can. So this is gonna actually come out, and then you have this clamp right here that holds it onto the throttle plate or throttle body, and then we're gonna go ahead and take and completely move this out. There's a 10mm bolt here. We're going to go ahead and take that 10mm off. So what we've done is we've taken, wow, I can't speak today. we've taken the bolt that, if you see right here, there's a ground bolt. You're going to take that bolt off to actually secure the air rad system, as well as the 10mm bolt that we took out, and then the Allen key slash bolt that comes with the actual kit for the strap is to actually hold this whole entire piece into play. So we're going to continue to keep putting it on. Okay, so to take the mass airflow sensor off, you're going to need a T15 to take these bolts off, and then be very careful and very gentle, and make sure when you put it back in that you follow the arrow. The arrow should point to the throttle body, so remember that. So the bolts that come with the air rad system is actually Allen wrenches, and this one is a 5/32, and that's what it uses. So. Now with the panel on, it looks a lot better. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get everything buttoned back up. We're gonna put all the panels back on, be good to go. Biggest thing is just make sure that when you go to put this on, you make sure you have a hose clamp. I'm gonna go buy a hose clamp. I just had to do this for temporary use. But make sure you plug your mass sensor back in, and then make sure you screw down all of your hose clamps. But other than that, pretty simple install. I'm out.